In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add start times for tasks in Todoist. Whether you're new to Todoist or just looking to maximize its productivity features, this guide will help you manage your time efficiently by setting specific start times for your tasks. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your Todoist account. You can do this either through your preferred web browser or using the desktop application. Take a moment to ensure you have the latest version for optimal performance and access to all the newest features. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your task list appearing on the screen. The next step is creating a new task or choosing one that already exists and needs a start time. To add a new task, simply click the plus button, which is usually located somewhere prominent on the interface. If you're updating an existing task, search for it in your list and select it. Now let's focus on scheduling that task. Locate the schedule icon, which looks like a small calendar. This helpful tool enables you to specify when you'd like your tasks to commence. It can't be overstated how crucial it is to utilize this feature, as it adds more precision to your planning. One of the best features of Todoist is its ability to understand natural language input for dates and times. Go ahead and enter when you'd like your task to start. You might type something like today at 2 p.m. or next Friday at 8:30 a.m. 8 a.m. This intuitive aspect makes it easy to input data without fussing over formatting, making it quite user-friendly. Once you've entered your desired start time, the final step is straightforward. Press enter to save the changes. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, your task is now equipped with a designated start time, aiding you in managing your daily schedule more effectively. To enhance your experience, let me share a few additional tips. Todoist impressively caters to different time formats. Whether you prefer the AM/PM format or the 24-hour clock, such as 1400 instead of 2 p.m, Todoist has got you covered. Another fantastic feature is the ability to set recurring tasks. For instance, if you have a weekly meeting every Monday at 7 a.m, you can schedule that as a recurring task, and Todoist will remind you each week. If you're using a pro or business plan, you can also add reminders based on your task start times. This feature ensures you receive notifications, helping you stay on top of your commitments without missing a beat. There you have it, a simple yet how-to on adding start times to your tasks in Todoist. By incorporating these steps into your routine, you're not only optimizing your task management, but also gearing yourself up for a more organized and productive lifestyle. Happy planning!